Hey everyone! Let's dive into the world of street art with these incredible graffiti brushes for Procreate. I'm going to recreate the classic Grove Street for life, with a range of styles you're gonna love. So here's the deal. This pack has 32 unique brushes, each designed to bring that raw, authentic graffiti feel straight to your iPad. We've got bold sprays, smooth drips, textured markers, everything you need to capture that urban edge. First up, I'm layering in some wide, faded strokes that look just like a real spray can, giving us that soft, misty effect. Then I'll switch to a classic marker-style brush for the outline, perfect for adding those crisp details. Watch how easy it is to blend colors and add shadows, like layering real paint on a wall. These brushes are perfect for creating backgrounds, illustrations, or just letting loose with some graffiti-style lettering. Plus, they're totally beginner-friendly. Whether you're a pro or just getting started, they're fun, dynamic, and add instant flair to your projects. So, grab our graffiti brushes, get inspired, and let's turn your Procreate canvas into your own urban playground. Don't miss out on these, they're available now, so go check them out.